Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin went from 84,500 yesterday to highs of 86,400 today. That is a plus 2% gain. The money flow on the 1-hour time frame turned green yesterday for the first time since mid-February, when the price was around 96,000. This is a great sign because money flow turning green signals that buying pressure is increasing, which often leads to further upside. All time frames from the 1 hour to the daily are looking more bullish than bearish, with the wave trend indicator printing a green dot in an oversold area. Of course, it looks much better on the 1 hour time frame, where money flow has already turned green. The funny thing is that this was the second worst February since 2013. Usually February sees an average gain of plus 13.12%, but not this time. We closed the month with a minus 17.39% loss. The only worst February was 2014, which saw a brutal minus 31.03% drop. Quarter one also closed down by minus 8.9%, which is unusual for a bull run year. Historically, quarter one averages a gain of plus 51.44% since 2013, with previous bull runs in 2017 and 2021 closing up by plus 11.89% and plus 103.17%, respectively. This negative quarter one is strange, but it could also mean that the best is yet to come. Looking at the 3-day liquidation heat map, we can clearly see a big cluster right above us. The bears are in full force trying to push for another leg down. The zone between 86,500 and 89,500 is a hot pocket on the heat map. Before I leave you, take a look at this chart from TechDev on X. What you are looking at here is a macro cycle cheat code, a fusion of Bitcoin's price action and the global business cycle. This white line tracks macro liquidity trends. Think of it as the heartbeat of global markets. Peaks align with Bitcoin's tops, and when it flatlines down here, marked by these green arrows, that has historically been prime accumulation territory before liftoff. Now check out these brown shaded regions. These are periods of economic downturn, tight liquidity, risk-off environments, and surprise, surprise, Bitcoin bear markets. Notice how each one is getting longer? That means macro cycles are stretching out, and Bitcoin's bull and bear phases are taking more time to develop. The orange dots, these are pre-breakout signals, moments where liquidity starts creeping back in, setting the stage for Bitcoin's next move. If history repeats, we are staring at another launch window forming right now. So, are we at the bottom? Well, this chart says we just bounced off the historical cycle low zone, and if the past is any guide, that is where smart money loads up. Are you ready for the next run? Drop a comment below. Are you already bullish or still bearish? Let's hear it. I will keep you updated daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts, entries, and exits. Click the like button if you got value out of this video. Click subscribe and the bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.